Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back my channel Home Collection. I hope guys you are fine and enjoying life. I have some ideas of black half open styles, gorgeous designs, different shoes, varieties of fantastic, leather styles, buckle styles, heel styles, different styles, and so amazing designs. Guys, as you know, black is very important and a very special color for ladies and also gents. It is commonly used different dresses. These designs and ideas you can also apply the different occasions, special events also. Corner styles and buckle styles also are impressive. Different stonework also. Every designs durables. Dot also very impressive styles. This collection very nice. You can also matching different dresses. You can almost use these styles in your office's work. Daily routine also mid heels. Black are very shiny colors and very impressive. So guys, not skip any clips. Watch my video and just subscribe, share it with your friend also. And I hope you like these designs and ideas. You apply also. Most people like black colors. So I have some ideas in black colors. Heels, mid heels and plain styles. For your younger girls. So viewers, watch at the end and comments me about your views or designs in black and shiny colors. Very fairy designs. Fur design very in, almost in those days. Butterfly design very stylish. I hope guys you like these ideas. So share it with your friend, relative also. And please watch my video at the end. Press the bell icon also. So guys, remember your prayers. Allah always bless you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.